Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano, and welcome back to the channel. And thank you for subscribing. And now I want to talk about the Bold N1 and some of the features that it actually has to offer. Now, for the price point of around $200, the number one feature I want to talk about is the wireless charging. Now, if you put the Bold N1 on a wireless charger, then you actually put it there, it actually accepts the wireless charging. So I definitely thought that was pretty cool, because when you're using the Bold M1 and you want to just set it down on a charger and get a quick wireless charge and everything like that, it actually does accept the wireless charging feature. Now, a lot of flagships for around even 700 and up don't even have this feature. So I definitely think for the Bold N1 to have wireless charging included right out of box is definitely very game changing when it comes to the budget entry level department. So kudos when it comes to the Bold N1 for having wireless charging. Now, the second thing that I really like about the Bold N1 is the fact that it has this all-screen display. So you definitely want to go to the nav bar and learn some of these features about how to navigate through the navigation bar. So the second feature is going to be basically using the pill right here to go to your most recent apps right here. And if you don't like that feature, you can switch it to the virtual keys right here, which you can use as well. And when you're using these features, you're going to be able to see that it's going to be like the regular Android stock experience, or you can use full screen navigation, swipe up to go back. And when you're inside of an app, you can actually swipe left on this side to go to your most recents and everything like that. And it'll take you back when you swipe on the right side. But it's definitely pretty cool. And I thought that was another feature that was really cool with this all-screen display that you can actually take advantage of. So when you're in system settings and then you go into the option right here that says multiple users, you can actually change it to a guest and then hand your phone off to a little kid, or maybe like someone you're dating. I don't know if you're like trying to hide something or anything like that, but this app will basically give you a fresh look on your device and mainly make it look like your device is basically clean as a whistle and you won't have anything to worry about whatsoever. So basically all you'd have to do is go back into system, then go into multiple users and click remove guest, then hit that button and it's going to switch back to the owner. So I definitely thought that was pretty cool. Now the fourth feature is the in-display fingerprint sensor. Now when you click that, it just is really cool, and just another feature that I definitely think that is really cool when it comes to smartphone technology. So I definitely think that was a really nice feature when it came to the overall performance and usability of the Bold N1 for this price. Now, even though this feature isn't really needed, it's definitely innovative when it comes to that pop-up selfie camera. Now, I know a lot of people were having issues with the pop-up selfie camera on the Bold N1. Mine does have that noise where it sounds like it's struggling, and it has sounded that way since day one. But the camera and sensor and lens actually work perfectly fine. So I definitely thought it was pretty cool, and I didn't have any issues with it whatsoever. You also do get portrait on the camera as well, so you can just adjust the like how you where you want it to blur and everything like that. And you can just adjust that to your personal preference. You also get the 96 megapixels, so when you're zooming in on shots, it just will retain all the detail of the photo. So I definitely thought that was another really cool feature that you could just take advantage of. And if you did so desire, you could take a quick 6-second GIF of any video, and then you would have that as a GIF, and you can just go ahead and save that for, like whatever you want to do, add text to it or anything like that. You can basically get some options here as well. And I definitely thought that was a pretty cool feature as well. So so the camera has some really cool features, as well as a designated beauty mode as well. So you also did get that feature. You got Z SD, which helps with like I'm not quite sure what that is, to be honest, but if you go to modes, you do get night mode as well, which will help in the nighttime when you're taking pictures. So it's going to take a little longer to capture, but you can see that it just translates the light very well. And I definitely got a nice, really detailed shot here, and everything just seemed to look really good. Now when we go back into settings and then we go ahead and we click Intelligent Assistant right here, basically this is where we get the lift to wake feature. So if the phone is on the desk, and then we just go ahead, pick that up. Let me see. There we go. So now it lifted and woke up really fast. And then you just press the fingerprint sensor. So let me try that one more time. Yeah, so that works really good. You just lift it like that and it pops up. Then you can also jump to camera. So basically just tap the power button twice. You can calibrate the sensor right here if you so desire, but I'm going to keep that. Then you also get the 3-finger screenshot. So you can swipe down with 3 fingers. So let me just show you how that would work. And it would capture a screenshot. So that's definitely pretty cool. And then let's just go back and to Assistant. And then there's one more, flip to silent. So if you're getting a phone call and you don't want to take it, you just turn the phone face down. And I've had this case so far without a case, and I haven't seen not one scratch on the back of here, which is really good. I definitely like the build quality of this thing. So that's another really cool feature. Now another really cool feature is if you go into sound, go down, and then you can go into pop-up camera sound right here, and right here it says mute. So basically when you click this one, sci-fi, you can hear that. Let me just turn the volume up and then hit that. Or machine, or rhythm. So dang, I like sci-fi, so I'm gonna turn that like that. And then you also can get the ability to change sound enhancement. So you get right here, best loudness volume booster. So you make sure you turn that on so you get better sound quality from your phone. And you can also touch sounds. So when you touch the device and you get charging sounds, screen locking sounds, dial tone sounds, and then that's actually pretty cool. Another really cool feature as well is when you go down into display and then you go ahead and you see right here you have brightness level, which is located at the top. You can actually change that to your personal preference. You also do get night light, adjust that to your own preference in the nighttime. You also can do adaptive brightness, will adjust the screen to its desired optimization level, and you do get screen color modes. So you can do standard, vivid, cool, or customize, in which you can basically change it to your own personal liking. So I'll keep it at vivid, which it was at, and it definitely looks really nice with the AMOLED display as well. And you do get the option to change wallpapers right here as well. So just swipe across, and you can add other wallpapers from other apps. Just download another application, and or download it from the browser. But you can also, right here it says interchangeable screen lock wallpapers. So change lock screen wallpapers when the screen is off. So basically when the screen is off, it's going to change wallpapers every time on the lock screen. So it just changes the wallpaper every single time I'm clicking that. So that's nuts. That's dope. That's actually a feature that's on the Huawei devices. So you can see right here, you also do get screencast, so you can cast your screen to your TV as well. But I hope you guys found this video helpful in any way possible, and make sure you stay locked in for more videos just like this. But it's your boy Serrano, and I'll thank you for checking out this video. Make sure you check out more videos by hitting the bell icon and subscribing and liking this video so you can get notified for more videos, as YouTube will release them for you when you do those 3 things. And then I'll check you guys out on the next video. Later, crew. Peace.